G'day everyone, Cameron from Gleaming Solar here. What a cracking day it is. So I thought I'd run you through a bit of the gear that I have. I've been doing a lot of pressure cleaning videos lately, so just thought I'd run you through what gear I use for those to get me out of trouble. So here we go. So first up is my Trade Tools, which is a tool shop here in Australia. Trade Tools premium pressure washer. So we got, there it is there. So we got a 7 horsepower petrol engine mounted onto the frame. Runs at 10.5 litres per minute of water. 3000 psi. You got throttle control here. Then at the back, got a hose if you want to run detergent through it. This little knob here controls your PSI, so I can wind it back, suit the job that I'm doing. Normally I run it at about 2.5 to 3,000, gets me out of trouble. Then you got all your nozzles here, depending on what job you're doing. The black one is for detergent, red one is 0 degree. The pin nozzle. Green is 25 degree angle, a little bit softer. Yellow is 15 degree for hard porous surfaces. And the white is 40 degree angle. So to go with that, I got two 10 meter high pressure hoses. Blue one is a non-marking hose. The black one comes standard with the pressure cleaner. And then to go with that, I got two 15 meter just garden hoses. They usually get me, one usually gets me out of trouble. I needed both on a job the other day, so that's why I have them with me. Moving on, I got a 15-inch surface cleaner. That's how it works. This little bar spins round. Your water comes out of there. So that's brushes to contain all the overspray water flow. That comes in really handy for doing driveways and everything. Moving on, I got two lances, two wands here. This one came standard with the pressure cleaner. This one I bought extra. It's a touch longer, saves you bending over as much, which doing this for 8 hours a day can get quite tiresome on your back, so that one's handy. It's got a little side handle as well. And then for driveways, for my driveway jobs, pathways jobs, I have a set of wellies or gumboots, whatever you call them, depending on where you are. Stops your feet getting soggy. I've been doing a lot of house roofs lately, so for those I have two pairs of Dunlop volleys. You get a lot of grip with volleys on roofs, so they come in handy. Shout out to Dunlop volleys. Moving on, got my broom. It's a fold up. This broom folds up, so saves a lot of space in my car and everything. That's for just brushing off, that's for either brushing off excess water after I'm finished or at the start of a job for cleanup to get rid of leaves and everything. And then got my little Makita blower here. That's for use at the start of the job, getting rid of leaves, dirt and what have you. And I usually run around with this backpack as well. This has got all my spares in it. I'll just open it up. So, I've got my oil for the pressure cleaner for the pump, which I have a spare. I usually have two as well. One can get you out of trouble, but it's nice to have two just in case. A little stumpy wand as well for hard to reach places. What else we got in here? Oh yeah. Heap of spare nozzles and everything. That big chunky one in the front is a turbo head for quite stubborn stains and what have you. In the front here, if we open it up, is just the operator's manual and warranty for the pressure cleaner. So yeah, that's a run through of the gear that I have for my pressure cleaning jobs. Gets me out of trouble, does a very nice job. Well, that's the run through, and as always, check out YouTube for any more videos and hit that like and subscribe button. Cheers guys.